Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a reveal. I got my nails done. Got them pink and purple. They're super cute. I love them so much. And I have another surprise. What you're being filmed on is my brand new phone. I bought the iPhone 13 and I picked it up today. I was gonna do a vlog of it, but I never ended up doing so that's okay. But I'm really excited because I got the pink one. It's just the normal iPhone 13. I'll show you some B-roll of it in a second, but yeah. As you can see, I'm in focus, and then the background is blurred, which is pretty cool. It's the new cinematic mode feature, which is what I'm going to be filming on from now on. My hair looks a little grease, but that's okay. I gotta wash it. But yeah, wanted to update you on that. I'm doing a little baby glow up before I go to Sudbury to go see my best friend in the whole world. Anyway, yeah, so that's that. Got a new phone, got new nails, super excited. Show you what's coming tomorrow. Okay, so now I aggressively understand why most YouTubers don't wear glasses when they're filming, because this situation. But we're gonna try to ignore it. It's gonna be fine. Anyway, here is the box. It is beautiful. Here's the color. I'm gonna change the make it cool toned. Maybe that helps. Nope, that overexposes it. Maybe no, it's fine. Anyway, going back to the normal one. So this is it. This is the box. It's super little, and it's kind of a fake unboxing because I've already had it for 2 weeks now. I got it on Friday, the day that it was released, and I picked it up. I pre-ordered it and picked it up, and I had an appointment at the Apple store. It was super exciting. I didn't get any footage for that, but yeah, so it's kind of satisfying. See, it's all crooked in there. I just put it back in, and whoop, here she is. Isn't she beautiful? I already have a screen protector on her, as you can see, but look at the rails. Aren't they beautiful? And then this is the color of her. So if I can pull it back, she's a very, very baby pink. I can't tell if you can tell. I guess I'll figure it out in editing, but she's a really, 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 really pale pink. But I like her anyway. So I'm gonna put her down. I also have a screen protector on the cameras, which is why they have the little black circle around them. So there's that. I also have, what else is in the box? So an extra charging cord, which is good because I always seem to lose those. I don't really lose the block. But sometimes I do in fact lose the charging cord. I'm keeping it in the box in case I need a new one at any point, or I might put it in my car so that I can charge it in my car. And then, designed by Apple in California, and it's got the little key thing which I already used to set it up, and a little Apple sticker, as per usual. So I'm just gonna put those back in here. So yeah, that is the box. It's really little, not much to it anymore, which is fine, I guess. I had a lot of issues with them choosing to leave the block out. It really made me angry. and I was actually considering going to Samsung or Google for the longest time. I wanted a new phone for over a year, but I decided that I was going to stick it through with Apple, and I had seen the launch and I was really excited, and I saw that there was a pink phone and I got really excited about the pink, and it's my favorite color, and I haven't had a pink phone in a long time. So I went for it. I was also really excited about some of the camera features, which I'm also going to talk about just a little bit later on. But yeah, I did it. I bought the phone. Here she is. I have a case for her, which I'm going to stick on. I like it. This one's the one from Caseology. Yeah, Caseology. But as you can see, like, since it's this color of pink, it's like a coppery rose goldy color, it kind of takes away from the like organic pink color that the phone is. But this is it with a phone case on. As you can see, it kind of offsets the pink here because this pink is so dark. So it makes it look even whiter than it actually is. But yeah, I do like it. It's pretty effective. I've dropped it a couple of times already. Not from like very far distances, just off of the bed. Because I fell asleep watching TikTok and then it fell off and scared me in the middle of the night. Okay, so she's alive. As you can see, Itadori is on the back of it because I'm a dork. And when you unlock it, there's Sukuna. So it's yeah, it goes like cute little Itadori, unlock, Sukuna. So I thought that was pretty neat. Anyway, I have color themes for my setup. I don't have like a really like intense iOS 14 setup. I never really got into the customization part of it, mostly because I felt like that was going to be a lot of work. But yeah, so I have like the normal like system, like gray and white, then blue, and then I have my weather widget, and then I have yellow, and then a picture of my boyfriend and my brother and my dad. But yeah, yellow and green, and then red, and then part 2, like our part 2 red, because I didn't want it to cover Sukuna up, and I wanted there to be a bit of like empty space in both of them. The first 2 screens obviously are full, but yeah, so that's what I liked. And then also I put like a little Pinterest situation on here. So yeah, so, and then that's the Pinterest board is like my nails and makeup board, so every single time it's just like a nice makeup look actually. So that's my phone. I'll talk about what I think about it now. I got the 128 gig, just the normal iPhone 13, as you can tell, because it's not the Pro and it doesn't have a bunch of camera, or like one extra camera, not a bunch of extra cameras, just one extra camera, and then it's not little, it's just the normal size, and it's a little big for my head, but like it's not that weird. The squared off edges I'm okay with. I thought it would annoy me, but actually I find it pretty easy to hold, and it's not really bothered me at all. So I find it very easy to grip. Plus this case helps too, but yeah, I really like the squared off edges. I did get pissed again when they announced the 12 and they were like, all new design, but it's the same design as the iPhone 4, which I had. So that really annoyed me, but that's fine. I still liked it. I liked the iPhone 4. That was my first iPhone that I had ever gotten, so it's pretty nostalgic for me to now have a phone with flat edges again. If you're wondering, I'm filming this on my old iPhone X, but all other videos will be filmed on my new iPhone 13. But obviously I can't film the phone with the phone, so that's where we're at. Anyway, the camera is unbelievable. It's so good. I'm obsessed with it. So I got it on the Friday, the 25th. Let me fact check myself. I got the iPhone on the 24th. You could pre-order it on the 17th. And then I got it on the 24th. And then the next week I went on a trip to Sudbury. So I took a buttload of pictures, and I was really impressed by the cameras. And I took some selfies. You get portrait mode in the front facing camera, which is wild. It looks so nice, and I'm really impressed by it. And then I used cinema mode for some things. I haven't really used it a lot, but I'm extremely impressed by it. I'm not a very technical photographer or videographer or anything like that. Don't ever think that I'm a professional or I know all of the tech things about that. It's just from an average person who just likes phones and likes taking pictures and filming things and whatever. I'm not a professional by any means, but from just a normal person's perspective, I really think that the camera is amazing, and I think that everyone who gets it won't be disappointed. That being said, I upgraded from an iPhone X, so it's been a few years. So my experience is drastically different from anyone who might have had the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 12. So I'm not sure if it would be worth it for you then, but I personally find that the new camera features really are a very big selling point, and I really enjoy them. I think the iPhone 13 is the best for most people. The mini is for specific people for who want a small handheld device. This, obviously, I have pretty small hands, so I can't really, I can sort of type vertically, obviously, on a keyboard with my hand, but not horizontally, obviously. Not that I ever type horizontally. I don't know who does. Those people are true psychopaths. But yeah, I don't find it uncomfortable to hold in my hands, and I have pretty small hands. Unless you do want a smaller form factor, just get the iPhone 13. That's what I think. Okay, so that's gonna be it. Some of this video has been filmed on my iPhone 13, so you're gonna see the intro, sort of. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that in editing, but whatever, it's fine. So yeah, so that's the iPhone 13. Those are my thoughts. I've had it for 2 weeks now. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It is my favorite phone to date, and I'm really excited to have it. And yeah, I'm pumped. So that's it. Okay, bye.